wait, who let him in? So I guess we'll share?
Reddit.
Is this some kind of a joke to you? Our parents' war is about to become ours. Figure out which side you're on.
Just let me show you.
I'm sorry! I'm sorry! Just get me off of this thing!
Alright, I admit it. This is pretty cool. It's amazing.
Astrid, if something goes wrong,
Just promise me it won't go wrong. Hiccup! To protect your pet dragon? Are you serious?
yes.
That's for everything else. Why didn't you?
I don't know. I couldn't.
That's not an answer.
Why is this so important to you all of a sudden?
Because I want to remember what you say right now. That's scaring me.
300 years and I'm the first Viking who wouldn't kill a dragon.
First to ride one, though.
You're Astrid. You're strong, invincible.
Not anymore. What if this is it, Hiccup? What if the rest of my life is like this? What then?
Then we'll deal with it. Just because you can't see doesn't mean you're helpless.
But that's exactly how I feel.
Astrid, you and I have been through everything together. You don't think we can handle this? Astrid, you have me. No matter what. Okay, whatever that means, whatever you want it to mean, I am with you. There will always be a Hiccup and Astrid. Always.
Well, this seems pretty perfect to me.
Sure you're okay?
You need to stay with us.
But
I can't
I
imagine
still
a
have
world
you.
without you in it. Obviously, I'm glad you're here.
What took you so long?
I got you.
All so new. I just want to share it with you right now.